and welcome to Medi's Tech Circle. Today we are gonna unbox the Galaxy Watch 3. So this is the predecessor of the first generation Galaxy Watch. In between we had the Galaxy Watch Active and the Active 2. So this is the Active 2 I now have, and this will replace my Active 2. So here is the packaging of the Watch 3. As you can see on the side, it's the 45mm version, the Bluetooth variant, and the S stands for stainless steel. So before, the Active 2 packaging looked like this. So Samsung also changed the packaging design, and before we had an aluminium and a stainless steel version, so I had the stainless steel version. But yeah, so on the back it's a nice black box. So a lot of people say that it remembers them a lot of the Apple Watch packaging. So let's cut through these seals on the top and bottom. Okay, that's it. And now the packaging should come right up. And there it is. So first of all, we have now here some paperwork we can pull out. So I guess in here will be a user manual and some things like that, but let's have a look. Okay, there's still something inside here. I guess it will come out if we shake it a little bit. So there we go. I guess that's it. Yes, that's it. Here we have our charging cable. So it's, I think, the same we have on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Active 1. Yeah, so this is the magnetic attachable charging pad. But yeah, here is the watch. So this is the Galaxy Watch 3 in Mystic Black. So it really looks awesome. So we now have again the rotating bezel around here, and the buttons are also different. Now we have something like a traditional watch buttons. So as you can see, and one is even branded with the Galaxy Watch emblem, but I guess you can't see it right now. But yeah, that's the Galaxy Watch 3. So in comparison, here my 40mm Active 2. So you can see there's a noticeable size difference. So this will also be a thing why I chose the Watch 3. So specs wise, there is nothing different. We have the same processor in the Watch 3. We have almost also the same sensors. The only difference is really the design and of course the size. So even if you have the 44mm version Active 2 here, the 45mm will be a little bit bigger. So as you can see, we have nice mechanical rotating bezel. Yeah, so let's select the language. All right. And now the region. And the watch will reboot, and then it's gonna be ready for setup. So also you can see we got a nice leather band with some contrast. I really like it, feels nice. It says 22mm, so it's a 22mm watch band size. And here it says premium genuine leather. So this is pretty nice, feels good. With the Active 2 stainless steel model there also came a leather band. But yeah, the back, you can see, almost the same. My Active 2 is just a little bit smaller. But yeah, that's it. That's basically my unboxing of the Watch 3. Don't worry, the review of the Galaxy Tab S7 will come shortly. So I will wait for the keyboard cover and then I will post the unboxing. So yeah, that's been it. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon and bye bye.